Hello guys, this is your boy is back here and welcome to another interesting episode. Guys, in today's video, we are going to talk about if you should go with a signal robot or what they call semi-automated robot, or you should go with a fully automated robot, guys. So stick behind and watch the video to the end because I'll break down the differences between these two, okay, the gross differences between these two. Which one should you opt for, and which one is better at the end of the day? Okay, so guys, having said this, I won't waste much of your time. I go by the name of Back, and let's dig right straight into the video. Boom. Okay, so guys, for those that don't know, what is a semi-automated robot? All right, semi-automated forex robot or a signal robot. A signal robot is basically the robot that will do all the analysis for you. All right, it will do all the analysis for you, all the beautiful thing, all the difficult things for you. Not really the beautiful thing because in trading, the analysis is most of the time not the beautiful thing in the world, so the robot will do all the analysis for you. Then when it finds the right trading opportunity, instead of the robot to enter into the trade, it won't do it by itself, but it will send you a notification. All right, and here I want to open a parenthesis here and let you guys know that in this case, I suggest that you will have to first have a VPN. All right, if you have a forex robot like that, there are a lot of profitable robots like that, semi-automated profitable robots, all right, or signal robots. Sometimes that's how they call it. Okay, I suggest that you set them on a VPS. All right, then you connect them to your phone. Okay, and guys, if you don't know how to do these two things, I have two separate videos on my channel whereby I show you how to set your robot on a VPS from A to Z, nothing missing. All right, then once you do that step first, then you do the second step. You go and watch another video on my channel whereby I teach you guys how to connect your phone with your MetaTrader that is set on your VPS. Why am I advocating this to you? Because with semi-automated trade robots, this how the deal is, as I've already explained a little bit, right? This how the deal is. When they find a signal, they won't trade for you. But in the absence of you activating them, the possibility to send you the notification, they won't send you any notification. They will just find the signal and it will be a green light for them and they will be just there like that. But when you go into the parameter settings of the robot, which I showed you everything in the video that I recommended to you guys on my channel, when you go into the parameters settings of the robot, you will see that it says that there is a section that says that send email notification or a chat notification or a phone notification. You want to go with the phone and the email notification so that when the robot does the analysis and find the right trading opportunity, it will trigger an alert, and this alert will be sent directly on your phone. So let's say if you're at work, all right, you are working and your phone is in your pocket. The moment the robot finds the signal, it sends the signal to your phone and you will receive it. You just have to open your phone and you look at the signal that the robot has given you. If you think the signal is good, then you jump in. Or if you don't know how to do analysis, but you just trust the robot, then you just jump in and expect the outcome, any outcome that will come with that trade. All right, good. So that is a semi-automated robot. All right, guys, later I'll give you some examples of semi-automated robots. All right, so stick behind. So what about automated robot? Fully automated robot. Fully automated robot are the guys that they are like, hey, listen, we will do everything for you. All right, you just go and sleep, we'll do everything for you. Yes, indeed, that's what they do. All right, they will do the analysis and they will enter into the market for you with the criteria that you will give to them. All right, Then once they get into the market for you and it is time to exit, they will exit at the same time for you, okay, with the same criteria that you will give to them. They will do everything for you, right on point. All right. Problem with automated robot is that when they are not good, it will you will go into danger. That's why we advocate that you always test your robots. When you buy a robot, you always test it on demo accounts before to make sure that you are okay with it, with the settings and everything. Then you put it on your real account, even with the amount of loss that you will incur. Because truth is, whether semi-automated, whether fully automated, whether manual trader, bro, trading, you will always incur loss, and there's nothing as such as a holy grail in trading. All right, anybody that tells you my strategy is top notch, it wins 99% of the time, bro, that bro is a cheat of a cheater. All right, so don't mind them, okay? Don't mind them. I'm not saying that there's no good strategies out there. There's a lot of good strategies out there. But guys, what makes your strategy more efficient is the risk management plan behind it and the psychology that backs that trading technique. All right, that is where people should focus on. Anyway, this is not the subject for today. Let's keep moving. All right, so we've understand what fully automated robot is. All right, so if you have your hands on a very good fully automated robot, that is the ones that I like to play with. All right, I only deal with fully automated robot because of my lack of time. Do you understand me? I'm involved in a whole lot of things, so I just don't have time to do all the technical analysis and stuff like that. Okay, so if you are just like me and you want something like that, just reach out to me via my Instagram page where I'm more active there, or put it in the comment section and I will come through. All right. So, having understand the differences between the two, I'll give you guys some examples of semi-automated robots, all right? So that maybe you can get your hands on them and see how the feel is, all right? If you come to me, I don't have one, all right? So I can't give you one, okay? So that's why I'm trying to give you some examples so that maybe you can do your research and understand how they are, all right? As I told you, there are a lot of semi-automated robots too that are good. They are very, very profitable. All will depend on your knowledge and the good risk management plan attached to it. All right, so an example of, I listed some down, some example of semi-automated robot could be the 1000 pips climber. All right, so you can go and search that robot, okay? And the ZWOX, okay, ZIWOX, all right, ZWOX, okay? And the Illuma. All right, so these are some examples of semi-automated robots, and one comes in mind, but I think now they've changed it. Patrick's Pro, that robot is dope, but 1000 pips climber 2 is dope. All right, but I think now they've changed the implementation of Patrick's Pro. Now it's no more semi-automated, now it's fully automated. Now the time when they went fully automated, bro, it was something. You couldn't use it, but that robot is dope. Patrick Pro is dope. All right, big shout out to Indigo Mezalav, all right, for the good job he did. All right, so let's keep moving. So the question now is, which one should you go with? All right, so I wrote down that if you don't trust the robot to take trades for you, all right. So in other words, you don't have a lot of confidence in automation robots giving your money to them to just jump into any trade for you and all those kind of things. You don't want that, but you just trust their analysis, okay? Or maybe you are not good with technical analysis, then you will have to go with a semi-automated robot. All right, I hope it kind of like makes sense. Okay, so you don't know how to do technical analysis. You at the same time too, you are afraid that no, I don't want robots to enter into the trade for me. No, I want to check everything for myself. You don't know technical analysis, but you want to check everything for yourself. All right, just go for it. All right, but sometimes it may not even come from the angle of not knowing the technical analysis. Sometimes it may just come from the angle of like that, maybe you have your own confluence that you want to attach to whatever signal the robot will give to you. Are you getting me? So it's not even the subject of I'm afraid. Do you understand me? But you like the signal of the robot, but when that signal comes out, and whenever you attach your typeristic of confluence that you want to attach or you have to this signal that the robot is giving to you, it makes it more formidable, more trusting to jump into the trade. So that is why maybe you may want to go for that caveat. All right, so that is one of the reasons. All right, so we are talking about which one should you go for. So now I think you understand that first point. Okay, so the other one that I wrote down is if you trust the robots in its entirety, then go for fully automated robot. Okay, so what I mean is, if you think, hey man, I don't scare, I'm not afraid, I've vetted this robot and it works well for me, I don't have time to be sitting around the chat. Maybe you're a pastor, you have a lot of counseling and you have a lot of church activities, projects, and all these kind of things. Maybe I think it would be better to go with automated robots, all right? So that at least when you lose the money, when you come home, you come and cry home. You know, you get me? You don't cry in church. Could you imagine the pastor preaching and he had to look at his chat, his phone, and he sees the loss. He almost lost like $25,000. Imagine how the sermon was gonna be that day. Oh my God. Anyway, that was just beside the point. All right, guys. someone must be making me do this. Anyway, let's proceed. All right. So that is the two reasons that I think you can base on to decide as to which one to go for. All right. Now, let's move on to the next point that I wrote down. Are there robots that does the two? Okay. Are there some robots that robots can do both things, right? It can do both manually. It can do both. It can act like a semi-robot, okay, semi-automated robot, and at the same time, you can switch it and it can act like a fully automated robot. The answer is yes. There are robots like that. All right. In their certain sections, okay, in their certain sections, you will see that they will give you the option fully trading mode. So guys, when you go into the parameter section of the robot, you will see that it has they will give you trading mode, and you can see semi-trading or fully trading. All right, then you will have to choose one of the two, and the robot will trade for you based on the one that you choose. All right, so yes, there are robots that can do both two things for you. Okay, not at the same time, but you have to choose which one you want. All right, so that is that. Now, so guys, at the end, which one should you go with? All right, so let's look at what I wrote down. Which one is the best? The truth is, none of them is the best. All right, why am I saying none of them is the best? Because in trading, we don't have nothing as such as a holy grail. I say it and I'll preach it forever and ever until this channel is still alive. I must still preach it on this channel. All right, so whether you're going with semi-automated robots or fully automated robot, it all depends on you, your which one works best for you, and in which condition you find yourself that you might need one or the other. Are you getting me? So guys, that is how I'll conclude it, and based on the things that the information that I've provided for you guys, make your own decision and make your own decisions. And if there is something that is not clear, feel free to put it in the comment section, and I'm gonna come in and help you guys out. Thank you very much, guys, for your time. I love you, and guess what? I proved this one too, and I'm gonna see you in the next video. I'm out.